Hey guys, want to show you this amazing recipe I found for battered fish, and it works amazing for seafood. You can find the ingredients in the description as well, and I just want to give you a quick little visual of what we're going to be using, and then I'll tell you what we're using as we're making it. Now, again, this is really 5 stars. I've had a lot of seafood, so let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want 1 cup of flour. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, a large egg, and 12 ounces of beer. Any beer will do. Gonna whisk that together till it's nice and creamy and you're not seeing any more chunks of the flour. You're also going to want to have a bowl of flour sitting off to the side to dip the fish in, and that will make the batter adhere a little bit better. Not necessary though. Shake the fish off, drop it in the batter. Let it drain just a little bit. Drop it into your preheated fryer at 365 degrees. You might find it easier to use your hands. I did. This made enough for easily 2 pounds of fish. We're doing some cod and some tilapia. The tilapia though turned out not as good as we had expected. Tilapia does definitely taste better fried. Now, I've had a lot of fish and chips at various restaurants, and I can honestly say this was restaurant quality. Absolutely loved it. We ended up deciding that we wanted to have cod for Christmas instead of the traditional ham or turkey. Try to flip them over as they're cooking. You're gonna try to cook them till they're golden brown. Not dark brown. A lot of people I see online, they end up overcooking it, and dark brown, well, I mean, you could do dark brown. It's going to be kind of firm and crunchy. Also, when you place it into the deep fryer, try to make sure that you're not placing them on top of each other. That way they don't stick together. Now this looks just about perfect. You start seeing a little bit of the crunchiness, some nice golden brown. Wonderful. Definitely want some paper towels. You might want to drain it off and hold it a little bit better than I did to get some of that extra oil off. Generally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what you're looking for. Delicious, flaky, wonderful fish, and it's not gooey and nasty on the inside like I've had a lot of bad fish and chips. It's just really flaky. This is amazing for shrimp as well.
What you got going on here? Delicious, flaky, wonderful cod with homemade tartar sauce, a shot of vodka, tons of taters, onion rings. Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
5 stars, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's good as going out, right?
10 stars.
10 stars.
Better than going out.
Is it tasty?
Very good.
Is it sweet?
It sounds like you guys are enjoying it.